Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the late video today, but my program seems to be fighting me on making videos. I've already done this video 3 times, but we'll do it once more just because we love to do it. Alright, everybody, let's start with our market overlook. If you haven't already checked out Ryan Mallory's market overlook from yesterday, he did a post on it, did a video on it. Definitely check it out. He offers a little bit different view than I am, which is always good to get 2 opposing views. You don't want to get caught up in your own mess here. You don't want to get caught up thinking one thing when the signs are clearly pointing the other way. So definitely always get opposing views, listen to them, try to figure out what they're talking about, try to figure out what they see, and you'll be a better trader for it because you won't get caught with your pants down as you're playing one way and everybody else is playing the other way. So definitely give that a check. I'm just going to repeat pretty much the same thing I've been repeating for the last week or so. Market's bullish. We're seeing the dips get bought here and get pushed higher. You got higher highs, higher lows. We look for a break of support of the 1300s or the 1297 20-day moving average before you really start to get defensive. Any pullback here will just be seen as a place for the bulls to buy. The 20-day moving average acts as a good support for these Momo runs. Don't start shorting here just because you believe it can happen. When people did that here, they just got slaughtered. We had one little pullback and market ran higher for months with just a couple of down days. So don't just start shorting just for no reason. Make sure you got some good charts. I mean, we're chart guys, we're chart people. We look at the charts, so use the charts to judge when you should start shorting, when you should go long. Maybe things are too overextended. Yes, but you know, we keep playing the longs. They're working now, so just keep doing what you do till they stop working, pretty much. First on the list is LCC. Look for this to go red to green. Look for some morning weakness, and then I take out that 752 level before getting in. This is a big earnings move, so it could move higher. If you don't know what a red to green move is, check it out in the forum. I have tons of videos, tons of text on and examples on it, so definitely check that out. AVL looks like it's coming out of this range here. Look at that 323 level. BZH home builders have been on fire. This is starting to consolidate here at the top of this range. Look for a take out of these highs. On an intraday look, we can see the flag and the break, the flag and the break, and we got another flag coming, so just maybe a take out of these highs would be perfect. CRK, still looking for this as a bottom bounce. ELN, I tried to short this thing yesterday, it gapped down, and then I thought it was just going to break right through support. It just kind of peaked out. So I ended up taking a big loss on that one. As you can see, it just pretty much just ran straight up through the rest of the day. No biggie, it was a small loss, but still it's a loss. But I'm now looking for this one to break out the 52-week highs. Look over that 1410 area. coming off the support zones here. Look for a breakout of that. SIMO, it's got a little box form in here. Look for a takeout of the highs into the new 52-week highs. SWN, it's forming a little flag. I'm not too sure why I like this one. The chart's kind of weird, but it's got a lot of room to run before it hits some resistance, so it's got a lot of volume coming in. ATPG, still watching this one for this range break. It's starting to look better and better. Starting to work off this overbought conditions with some movement on the side. Form, looks like it's going to squeeze between the 50 and the 20-day moving average. Look for it to take out that 50-day moving average for pushing higher. FCS, flagging under that 200-day moving average. SABA, this one's a bit overextended. Even though it's not overbought, it's still a little ways from its moving averages, so it is a bit overextended, but we're seeing a nice low volume consolidation, and then we saw a lot of volume come in yesterday, so I'm actually going to watch this one take out the highs. This might be just a quick pop and fade though, so play this one quick. SIGA, nice flags. It continues to flag here, so look for a takeout of that flag. PHH, still watching this one for this range break into the 50-day moving average. ENTG, flagging here, I like this one. Look for it to take out those highs to see if we can't get a bounce off this thing. Jazz, flagging here, you can either play the break of the flag or a test of that 20-day moving average. I'm actually looking for a test of the 20-day moving average before I get into that. SMSI, creating a little support zone here. Look for it to bounce. Selling looks like it's starting to dry up, so it could bounce any day now. IDIX, still playing this box here. LNKD, still looking for this flag break. It's a nice little range, good strong resistance here. And RAM, we're looking for a pullback to that 20-day moving average. We got that. Now we're looking for an intraday break, maybe the 345, maybe the 350 level before getting a bounce on this bad boy. Definitely have your longs and your shorts ready for trading. Good luck, everyone.